Icy Hot Original Medicated Pain Relief Liquid with No Mess Applicator. Product details.
Experience powerful pain relief and a convenient mess-free application that keeps hands clean.
Icy Hot Original Medicated Pain Relief Liquid provides fast-acting pain relief for minor aches and pains associated with arthritis, back pain, sore muscles, sprains, bruises and muscle cramps.
It's icy to dull the pain, then hot to relax it away.
Use the applicator to roll on the pain relief liquid and massage into the painful area to begin to feel relief.
This no-mess roll-on pain relief is formulated to dry quickly for fast pain relief when and where you need it most. At the gym, at home or on the job, rely on Icy Hot Medicated Pain Relief Liquid for lasting pain relief.
Icy Hot is the No. 1 topical pain relief brand. Among OTC topical analgesics.
How to use: apply a thin layer to affected area. Massage into painful area until thoroughly absorbed into skin.
Repeat as necessary, but no more than 3 to 4 times daily. Icy Hot Original Medicated Pain Relief Liquid with No Mess Applicator. 2.5 fluid ounces.
Contains 2.5 fl. Oz.
Bottle of Icy Hot Original Pain Relief Liquid. Icy Hot Pain Relief Liquid helps temporarily relieve minor pains associated with back pain, arthritis pain, muscle pain, sprains, bruises and muscle cramps.
This pain-relieving liquid provides easy-to-apply pain relief when you need it most. Rollerball keeps hands clean and liquid is formulated to dry quickly.
America's No. 1 topical pain relief brand among OTC topical analgesics.